Hey, what's going on? I'm Michelangelo over at the V.A.W Company LLC. And in this video, we wanted to talk to the wonderful mothers, daughters, sisters, aunts, cousins, and wives of the world. Now us over here at the V.A.W Company LLC, we know for a fact that you have a certain amount of influence over the males in your life. That's why we need your support. We can't do it alone. Being a male myself, we don't always do what we're supposed to, like ordering the V.A.W, the vehicle attached wallet. So ladies, if there's a male in your life that you love and you want to protect while they're driving, go to our website at vehicleattachedwallet.com and order your V.A.W today. It might just save your life or someone in your family that you love. Vehicle attached wallet. The V.A.W. Once again, I'm Michelangelo over at the V.A.W Company LLC. Get your V.A.W today at vehicleattachedwallet.com. And we'll see you soon.